Respected friends, human rights defenders, and members of the international community, Assalamu alaikum. Today, on the 30th of August, the International Day for the Victims of Enforced Disappearances, we are here because we cannot longer stay silent. Pakistan calls itself a strong democracy, but behind that image is the pain of the Pashtun, Baloch, Sindhis, and Kashmiris, people who are suffering under military rule. The government used security as an excuse, but their idea of stability is built on mass graves in Balochistan, the tears of Pashtuns' mothers, and the silencing of Sindhi's writers. This is not real state. It is a factory of terrorism run by the Pakistan armies. We, the Pashtun Tahfiz movement, PTM, are here to be the voice for those who have been silenced. Every missing person means a broken family, a grieving mother, and children waiting for a parent who may never come home. Right now, our brothers Bilal Orakzai, who is coordinator for PTM in Peshawar, has been missing for over a month. He was taken by state agency. His only crimes was asking for peace. Our leaders, Ali Wazir, is in jail illegally. Haji Abdul Samad Khan is also in jail on false charges. This is the true face of Pakistan. People disappeared, are tortured, and are jailed without a fair case. But we are here to tell you they will not succeed. The Pakistan army does not protect people, it harms them. It kidnaps Baloch students, abuse Sindhis activists, and kills Pashtun. We will not be silent any longer. To the British government and the international community, your silence means you are helping. When you shake hands with Pakistan generals, you are shaking hands with covered in blood. We demand that you stop supporting this terrorist army, instead stand with the victims. And to Pakistan we say, you cannot kill a moment, you cannot make an idea disappear. You cannot silence people who have decided to stand up. Pashtun will not bow down. Baloch will not give up. Sindhis will not be removed. Together we will resist until we get justice and every missing person comes home. Finally, I call on all oppressed communities in Europe, join us in Geneva in front of the United Nations on September 18th, 2025 at 12 p.m. Let's raise our voices together for justice. Long live to PTM, long live the resistance, long live the oppressed nation. Down with the Pakistan military. Long live Balochistan. Independence.
Long live Sindhu Desh.
Long live Sindhu Desh.
Long live Sindhu Desh.
Long live to Pashtun, Baloch, Sindhi, Kashmiri unity. We all brothers. We stay together. We will reach our goals, inshallah. In the final, I want to ask you a few things. I will say Ali Wazir and you say release, release, release. Ali Wazir! Release! Ali Wazir! Release, release! Ali Wazir! Release, release! Haji Abdul Samad Khan! Release, release! Haji Abdul Samad Khan! Release, release! Haji Abdul Samad Khan! Release, release!